Hey everybody, my name is Hurricane and I'm with Serena Education. Recently, Dimensions got a complete overhaul. New color, new UI, new functionality, all sorts of amazing things are happening in Dimensions. Today we want to walk you through one of those things. Today we're going to talk about creating a graphic report. First off, we're going to click New, and in the drop down we have a graphical report option. We'll click on that and the graphical report window opens up. This is going to be similar to the report we had before in the previous version, but for this report, we're going to first choose the class. We can then choose attribute constraints. In our example today, we want to choose all of the verification statuses that have not passed, failed, incomplete, scheduled, and so forth. I'm now going to choose verification level runtime. At this point, I'm not going to choose any relationship constraints. As far as display options, we can choose any of these visualizations, but today we're going to select the 2D horizontal bar. Down here for rows, we're going to select verification level, and for column, let's choose verification status. Now let's move back to the General tab and give this report a name of Component Requirements by Verification Level and Status. We can now save it, and that's it. To create the report, we can now select Runtime Parameters, which are systems in this case. And this will bring me up the numbers for the requirements, and as I click, I can dig into here and drill down to the numbers of requirements. I hope that was helpful. This is going to close our session on how to create a graphical report. The next session in this series is going to be how to utilize a graphical report in the dashboard. Make sure and come back and check that out. From all of us at Serena Education, we'll see you soon.